Hi everyone, welcome back to Techie Dialogue. In today's video, we're going to show you exactly how to pick up an item in Fortnite so you can gear up quickly and stay ahead in the game. Step 1. Start by landing at your chosen spot on the map and look around for items like weapons, shields, or healing supplies. Items are usually found on the ground, inside buildings, or in chests. Once you spot something useful, walk up close to it until you see the interaction prompt. Step 2. When the pickup prompt appears, press the corresponding button on your device. E on PC, square on PlayStation, or X on Xbox. Make sure there's space in your inventory, or the item might not be picked up. If your inventory is full, Fortnite will give you the option to swap the new item with one you're already carrying. Step 3. After picking up the item, it will be added to your inventory bar at the bottom of your screen. You can then scroll or cycle through your items to equip the one you need. Picking up the right items quickly can make all the difference in a fight, so practice grabbing loot fast. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more simple and helpful Fortnite tips.